Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete the avatar on Snapchat. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and delete your avatar on Snapchat, all we need to go ahead and do is to launch the Snapchat application. And once you're already there, I want you to proceed with basically tapping on your profile. So let's go ahead and tap on our profile on the top left corner. Next, I want you to tap on your avatar and proceed with just deleting it. So right now I haven't really created my avatar just yet. So if you want to go ahead and do so, proceed with doing that real quick. So once you've already have your avatar right there, you can easily go ahead and edit and also remove that avatar. So go ahead and tap on your settings, and I want you to scroll down until you see the Bitmoji. Over here, just tap on remove my Bitmoji and tap on remove. And as you would see, the Bitmoji and also your avatar is now gone. You can now proceed with creating a new one like so. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.